I, tri- I tried this type also, sir, but it's continuously showing overlapping.
Yeah, so someone must have given a big number. See, when someone gives like this, 1, 2, big number, if he has already blocked a big number, then what you have to do, you reduce his number, you find out who has given that, and you cannot change the lower number, na? You change the higher number like this, due to 10. Finish. Understand? So you look for the higher number. Where the higher number is, you reduce that. Somebody has given a big series that is blocking everybody. So that big series, whatever is the big series, you reduce the highest number. When you possible, I will also see if I get time tomorrow. I will look the servers the servers they have given it to you, and I will try to reduce some numbers series, yeah, so that it will be clear for you. Okay? Yes, I will do that.
When we are creating group, when we are saying there's a request, our own request, showing our company codes also, so we can select that also.
Yeah, you better create with your own company code, but in real time not required. Now here, because there will be confusion, you can create with your own request. Yes. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Many people are missing today.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, is tomorrow holiday?
Yeah, tomorrow is off. Tomorrow is a holiday. Yeah, so yeah, it's festival. Today itself the strength has gone down. I don't want to, I don't want students to miss the sessions. Okay, no problem.
So next class will be on Monday.
Our class on Saturday.
Here also we will not have. Next Monday only we will have. Yeah. Long weekend for you. Right. So, and a good thing, you have to do the practice, right? I believe many people are having the backlog. Whatever GL backlog is there, you try to clear it off. Yeah, use it properly.
Continuously 3 days.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Yes.
Our staff team will be available sir, on Saturday?
Yes, they are available. Yeah, okay. I am also available, but I have your senior batch, big long session I have for you. So Saturday also, actually at this time I have other classes. They are already pre-planned. That's why, I cannot take your class. Yeah. Right. Yes.
I have missed 15 minutes, sir. 7:30 to 7:45 due to technical issues.
Just now, I was just clearing the doubts. Yeah, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, so shall we proceed? 3 steps we have completed now?
Yes.
Step number 4.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Actually, for JBFL and JBCL, Jubilant, no sir. So for this account,
No, I will be many company codes. So maybe after accounts payable, we will shift to some other company code. This is a continuous process. Whatever company code I discussed, you have to go with that. Correct?
no,
Yeah.
like that sir. Account group you gave TAVG, no sir. Sorry. So we are having.
You can use.
No.
Okay, so I got your question. You can use it for any company code. This is not relevant to one company code.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Suppose
whatever these 3 steps.
Suppose if we are having 2 company codes, we can give TAVG for 2 companies.
Yeah, you can give.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's why when we are doing these 3 steps, it will not ask the company code at all. Yeah, you can use it for any company. Okay? No.
Okay.
So define tolerances
Thank you.
for, no down. OBA3. So So you remember tolerances we discussed in the GL, correct? Tolerances, right? Yeah. What do I mean by tolerances? Some limits, correct? Yeah. So the same limit we have here in AP also. Okay. So now I am going to OBA3. Okay. So go to OBA3 now. /n OBA3. Yeah. Now click on the new entries and give the company code. What is my company code?
D.
Correct. Now tolerance group, again same logic, leave it blank and give the name like this, tolerance for vendors and customers. No need to give any limit right now. Yeah, just leave it blank. Okay, just leave it blank. So this is what you have to do. Give the company code, leave the group blank, give the description, don't give anything. Yeah, save. That's it. Okay, no done. Okay, done. Just very simple. Give the company code, don't give the group name, leave it blank, give the description. No need to give any limits also right now. Save. So what is our request name? Accounts payables now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that was step number 4. Next. Step number 5.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, so is it the same for the tolerances? Is it the same OBA for OBA3 so that for accounts as well?
OBA0, OBA4, this is OBA3. This will apply for vendors and customers.
Yeah, for the vendors. Okay, for yeah, just
That is
wanted
for
to
the GL. Breaking actually.
Sorry, sir.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay.
So those two are for the GL. Those two are for the GL.
Issue, so I just lost your voice in between.
Yeah, the problem is from your side.
Okay,
Yeah?
okay, sir, it's clear now.
No problem. So the other two, OBA0, OBA4 are for GL. This is for the vendors. Yeah, that's how you have to. Define number range for vendor document type. That is OBA7. I said document. As soon as I said document,
OBA7.
as soon as I say account, different places.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Yeah? Okay, no conflict here. Now what is the document type I am talking? Vendor invoice. Vendor invoice is KR doc. And what series? 19 series. Vendor accounting document is KA document. What series? 17 series. Vendor payment document.
KZ.
What series? KZ document. 15 series. Okay, note down everybody. Then I will discuss what.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
So we are creating this in OBA7.
Yeah, account the document, no, it is.
17.
Transact.
This 17 we give for reversals, right?
Yes, you are right. So these two already we have given. We did not know at that time. We have already given because we were doing the payment, right?
Yes, sir.
And we were doing the accounting. Reversal is coming under accounting. So these two it was asking us. So we have given. Okay. Now what else I have to give? No, only this is enough now.
Yes.
Understand? So
Yes,
before itself, at that time we did not know. We have given. Now requirement is there. So now we need to, if I give this, 119 is enough now. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this one, I mean, KR19, what is it, sir? KA17 is 15.
You know GL document na?
Yes, sir.
SA document. What is that for 01 is there na?
Yes, sir, 0. Yeah.
You gave 01 and number series we have given na 1000210999.
Yes, sir.
Same like that. This is vendor invoice KR19. GL SA01. Same way it is the other three documents. Correct?
Wait, this one, I mean, vendor accounting, I mean, this is type, sir, right?
Type, correct. Type.
Okay.
KR is the type, KA is the type, KC is the type.
And this 19 is the number range, right?
Yeah, as we have 01 here, na?
Okay.
Same way 19 is the series.
Okay, thank you.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good. Yes.
Sir, I'm having one doubt that this step number 1 you have written the defined vendor account groups TAVG. This how this TAVG is how will assign this one as assigned to our group like TEE?
How we will assign to our company code?
Yes.
Yeah, that you will understand when we are creating the vendor, right? So group is not created at company code, but vendor when we are creating one vendor. Now this is what type of group it is. What is the group we created? We created advertising group.
Advertising group. Yes.
Correct now. This is
But
advertising.
how this is related to our company?
Yeah, I'll tell you. So suppose there is one advertising company, right? Say something like Limca Advertise. Some name I am giving, some advertising company. So this is our vendor, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, when I am creating this vendor, Limca Advertising, system will ask me the group, na?
Yes.
What group I will give?
CAVC.
Yeah, when I give, so this Limca Advertising I am creating at what level? I am creating for my company code. So this vendor I will create at company code. So when I am creating this vendor, it will ask the group. So that is how the link. So vendor belongs to this group. The vendor I am creating in the company code. This is the three-way link line.
At the time of creating TAVG, TEE will not be assigned.
No, this TAVG is a higher level.
Okay.
It can be used for any company code. That's what I am saying.
Okay.
So we can.
Yeah, so now this Limca Advertising is created at the company code level, but group is created at a higher level. Got it?
Yes.
So vendor is created at company code level. Vendor group is not at company code level. It is higher level. Got it? Yeah. Sorry, next.
Sir, you mean we can use this group for another advertisement company also, right?
You can use this group for another advertising company for another company code also.
Yes.
That's okay. So let me explain you. There are three levels. Okay, there are three levels in which the configuration happens. Okay, because you have asked, let me elaborate on that. There are three levels in which the configuration happens. One is at the client level. One is at the country level. One is at company code level. So if I am doing at company code level, that will apply for only for that company code. Understand? Country level means it will apply for all company codes in that country. Got it? Client level means what? It will apply for all company codes. That's it.
In all countries.
In any country. You understand?
Yes, sir.
This is what we are doing now is the client level. So now OBS 7, you tell me, OBS 7 is at what level? OBS 7.
Company code.
OBS 7, when we are creating OBS 7, it will ask a company code, it will asking. So you should understand. It is a company code. Now OBBG, you remember tax code we have given us, step number 19.
Yes, sir.
Country level.
Country level. Right? So the tax will apply for all the company codes in that country. The tax procedure. Automatically it will apply. Now this is what is our OBD3 and all. correct? Client level, higher level. You can use it for all the company codes for all the countries like that. Correct? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm able to hear.
Sir, can you give me a small brief about today's class? I was late. I didn't get the link for today's class. I just now joined.
Okay. Is that problem not solved? I thought it is resolved. No problem. Okay. No
No,
problem.
I don't know what was
Having
happening.
late link.
Okay. So now note down
Okay,
the step
thank you.
number 4 and 5. Only 4 I completed, right? 5 I'm yet to do. Only 4 I completed. So
Okay,
still
sir,
yesterday we completed 3 steps, na? Today 4 I completed just now.
Yes, I know, sir. I know.
So you go to OBA 3.
Okay.
Go to OBA 3.
Just like this GL accounts, right?
Yeah, OBA 3. Same like our GL account, right? So you go like this. I think it's already. So you go like this. New entries. You give the company code. Very, very simple step it is. Don't give the group name. Just give the description and save. That's it. No need to give any restrictions also, right? Just give the company code. Don't give the group description. You give save. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Good.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Next. Yes, tell me.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir,
Your voice is breaking.
This is Daniel Skelly.
Your voice is breaking. Hello. Okay, we lost you. So others, you are clear with my voice, na? Is there any problem from my side?
Oh, no.
Alright, so I think it is no
Yes,
problem.
sir.
Okay, no problem. Now step number 5 I will show, right?
Hello.
Can you
Sir, can you say again first 3 steps?
First 3, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, they are very, very simple, na? Okay, see. Okay, let me show you what.
Example.
Yeah, so you go to OBD 3 and you click on the new entries and you give the group name like this, right? Short code and name, group name. What group? Advertising group, insurance group, legal services group, whatever group you are creating, give the short name description. That's it. That is step 1. Correct. Step 2, what you do? XKN1, go to the interview, search for the available interval. Right? What is the interval available for me now? 38 was there. 39 is available, I will create 39. Insert interval, number 39, whatever you want to create, you give like this. But for the next number available, you give. Right? Yeah, you can give a small number. I am using big number because my system I have space is there. If you do not have, you can give like this also. Yeah, if there is any problem coming with your numbers, you can give like this also. Right? Yeah? Small number series also you can. Next, that is step number 2. Next step number 3 is OBA. Here, position, what is your group name? TAVG, right? TAVG, and you link that number series, whatever you have given in the step number 2. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, link them. Simple. Okay? Yeah, is that clear now? Okay. Yeah. So now I've completed step 4 also, step 5 I am doing OBS 7, yeah? So go to OBS 7. So many times we have done this. You are all experts in OBS 7, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So go here. Now you see here KR.
Yeah.
KR. What is KR?
Vendor invoice.
Vendor invoice. Correct. So if you click on the KR, that is the KR vendor invoice 19 series.
Yes, sir. Number 9.
Correct. Number is 19 series. Okay, good. Next. KA.
Vendor document.
Vendor document. What is the series? 17. Correct. So next, what is the next KZ document? Vendor payment.
Vendor payment.
KZ document, right? Vendor payment. 15. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So now I will go to number range information. Company code. Now here it is asking company code. So what does it mean? What level I am doing?
Company code.
Company code.
Company code. How many
Company code level, sir.
we have?
Within company, sir.
3 levels.
3 levels, right? What is that? One at company code level, right? How do you know?
level.
One is
Yeah, how do you know it is company code level? If it will ask. It is asking means what? It is a company code level. It will apply for only that company code. Correct?
yes,
If it is asking country,
country level,
country level. If it is not asking anything,
plant level.
higher level. Correct? Very, very simple. Okay, now company code is what? E. Okay, then change interval. Now here you see 01 I have given, that's for essay. Then X1 is for what? Samples, right? Sorry, recurring. X2 is for samples. And you know 15 and 17 also is given.
Yes, sir.
15 and 17, 15 is for
Clearing
Reverse
document.
case.
but now what you understood? Now what you understood? 15 is for vendor payment. 17 is for vendor accounting document.
Yes.
So there we were doing the outgoing payment, na?
Yes, sir.
Outgoing payment is nothing but vendor payment. Now reversing is also accounting document, right? That it was taking the vendor accounting. Okay, that's why we have already given 15, 17. At that time we do not know. Because vendor was not there, na?
Yes.
Vendor discussion did not happen, right? It was too early for you.
Sir, 15 is fixed, otherwise.
Generally, that is the standard recommended by SAP.
15 and 17.
Generally, companies will also follow standard only. Yeah, the problem is there if they can change it. It is not compulsory. They can change it. Here, what they can do, they can go and change this. They can change this to 13. But what happens is in future, noise, background noise.
Salman Khan.
Salman Khan. Okay. Now, so 15 is there. If you change it to 13 or 12, tomorrow what will happen? It will create confusion. No? Yeah, suppose a new consultant has come into your company, right? World over everybody is following 15, 17. You are using 15 for 19, 19 for 15. It will create so much confusion. That is not, there is no advantage in it, right? There is only disadvantage. So it is better you follow the standard. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You can change it, but the thing is that change will have a cost. That every time a new guy comes, you have to tell him, sorry, 15 is 19, 19 is 15, like that. He has to get used to it again. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, now. So number range information. Now you tell me which number series is left now.
19.
90.
19. Now already 15, 17 is already given. No need to give again. I need to give the 19 series.
19.
So I will give the 19 here. Here which one? 2021. 19,000 to 19,999. Correct? Enter.
Yes, sir. Enter.
Suppose if I have, as I can understand, if you are facing the problem, you can reduce the number series like this, right? You can reduce. You can say 1000, 1000.
Yes.
So that way you will have a lesser space, na?
Yes, yes.
Correct? Yeah, you can do that also, no problem. Okay, I think this you will not get a problem because this is at company code level, na? This is your company code only, right? So no problem. Correct. So only for XKN1 you will have the problem. This is exclusively yours, your company code, na? So no problem.
Yes, sir.
This you can give any number. Say. Enter. Good. So that was the step number 5, right?
Sir, I have a confusion on step 5. Please explain. Like.
Your voice is breaking. Yeah, I think two people are speaking. Just tell me.
Yeah, actually, step number 5 is some confusion to me. So could you please explain me orally?
Number 5. Step number 5 is like, same like our step number 10. Step number 10, you remember?
Yes, sir.
We have given for GL document type.
Yeah.
GL document type. Which document type it was? Essay, right?
Yes, sir.
Preset was 01 series, right? For that we have given 10002 10999. Correct? Same exactly I am doing it for KR, KA, KZ.
Okay.
Got it? There is no difference. Same OBA 7. There I was clicking essay document. Now I am clicking on KR.
Okay.
Correct? That's it. Okay?
Sir, why we are defining tolerance group for vendor and customer?
Yeah, again tolerance, na. Even when you are buying, you need to have some tolerance, na. Suppose this price little variation has come. So initially he said 1,000 rupees. Then he said no, 1,001 rupees. Shall we deny the order or still we will accept? Some tolerances you should. See, some minor, some exchange rate problem has come. Will you accept or not? Like that. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now, so step number 5.
Sir,
Next. Yes.
sir, we are already using 17 and 15 for reversing and outgoing payment, right? So
Yeah.
can
So
we
actually,
again
outgoing payment is nothing but vendor payment only. Both are same.
Okay.
Both are same. Outgoing means outside person. Who is outside person? Vendor. Na?
Okay.
Outgoing payment means what? Payment to outsider. Who is the outsider? Vendor.
Okay.
Reversing the document means reversing an accounting document it is. Reversing is in another language accounting document. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Sir. Thank
Both are same. There is no difference.
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I missed the class because of the errors, some server error.
Okay, no problem. So now you have not missed actually. We have done only 2 steps. One tolerance I have done. One I have done the invoice. OBS 7 I have done.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. OBS 7 you know, no?
Yes, sir.
Step
OBS
number 10. Same 19 series I have given. That's right. So here I have given 19000 to 1999. Like this. And step number 4 also I will show you. Just to do that. Yeah. OBA3 /n OBA3. Just click on the new entry. Give the company code. No need to give the group name. Just give the description. Yeah. And no need to give anything else. Just give the company code, description, save. That is step number 4. Okay?
Okay.
Next, step number 6. Step number 6 is create a sundry creditors reconciliation account. Now I will see how much you understood. Reconciliation GL account. What is the T code?
FS00.
Okay. So now tell me. Okay, let's go and create now. FS00 /n FS00. Yes, now. See, I need this account na, to connect our sub-ledger with general ledger, right? I need this GL account, correct? Correct or not? Reconciliation process. Right? To connect our sub-ledger to general ledger, to connect our AP sub-ledger to general ledger, we need this GL account, correct?
Yes, definitely.
Correct? Yes. So, I am creating, correct. Now you go here. Okay, now tell me how to create it.
So the
Is it sundry creditors is an asset?
Liability.
Sundry creditors is an asset? Really?
It's a liability.
Correct na? Accounting association will file a case against you, yeah, if you say asset, yeah?
sundry creditor is asset, sir, right?
Debtors is asset.
Sundry debtors is an asset. Creditor means somebody you have to pay always.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Somebody has given you credit, credit card. You have to pay to him or not? Credit
Yes, sir.
card.
Creditors, they are on. Yeah.
You have to pay, correct?
We need to pay, right? Yes.
Good. So now, let's go there. So now it's a liability, right? You tell me what should I do?
We have the same company code.
1 lakh series.
1 lakh, sir. 1 lakh. 1 lakh 5.
What is the company code?
E.
Very good. And now tell me, group, which group?
Liability.
Liability, sir.
P&L or balance?
Balance sheet, sir.
Balance sheet.
Short text.
Credit
Creditors account.
Yeah, okay.
Under creditors.
Sundry creditors reconciliation.
Control tab. Data. Local balance, global price.
One small correction. Here you will not select only balances in local currency. Okay? Put a note. Do not select for reconciliation account. Do not select only balances in local currency. Why? Because you can have vendor, foreign vendor. American vendor is there. You are saying I want to say in rupees is not correct. I want to say in dollars also, right? Because whenever I deal with him, it is dollars only. He is saying pay me in dollars only. You cannot say, I will see in rupees only every time. No, dollars also required, right? Okay. So you have external party. If it is a foreign vendor, American vendor, you are buying the raw material, importing you are doing from America. Now you are saying only rupees is not correct. You want to see in dollars also, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why you should not select. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it is not within your company account. If you are talking about outsider could be from any country.
Yes.
Correct? Yeah, that's why you should not select. You have a requirement to see in other currencies also.
Okay.
Okay? Good. So now, reconciliation account type.
Vendor.
New field.
Vendors.
Vendor. This everybody understood? So this
Yes, sir.
account, this GL account, we are connecting to which subledger? Accounts payable subledger.
Accounts payable subledger.
Correct. Good. Now next, come down.
Line item display.
Good. Open item management?
No, sir. No, sir. It is. Why?
Yes or no?
So you are buying a credit, sir.
Vendor is outside payment, no?
Maybe item management is only possible when we need to pay
No background noise, please. Only one person should talk. See, open item management, actually all vendor items are open items. Yeah, but we don't have to select here. Why? Because vendor items are by default open items. By default, whenever you say vendor, it is automatically open. So not required.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yes.
And vendor open item is not at GL level, right? Vendor open item is at vendor level only. Vendor level, subledger level itself, it's open item by default. Is it clear? Yeah. So these vendor accounts, vendor related accounts, they are by default open items, so we don't have to select. Is that clear? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In case if we take open item management, in case if we take open item management, how it will be, sir?
We will see. Okay, let us try that also. Because you got it out now, let us. Okay, now line item display what it is, posting date. Now here you can say 0, 1, 2, right? Okay, understood? Okay, now.
Create bank.
Next, go to next tab, yeah? Next tab. Field status group. Now it is a reconciliation account, na? This account is a reconciliation account, na? Okay, let us see. See, you tell me what will happen. Now here we have one account that is a reconciliation account, right? G067.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Is it there or not there?
is also there.
Yes.
For Austria country. It's specifically given Austria, right? Austria, there is a country by name, not Australia, Austria. It's in Europe. Now, we are not in Austria, right? Okay. Our reconciliation account, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, select 067. Okay, done. So now open relevant to cash flow service select or not?
No, sir.
No.
No, right?
No.
So now. Okay, one by one I will try. Okay, suppose if I take this, what will happen? You see. I should not take, I am taking. Okay, I am saving. Let's see what it says. Balances for reconciliation account only in local balance, not definable. The data contains error, you cannot save. So what it is saying? Sorry, you cannot do this. Remove this. Okay? Good. Next. Let us try this also. Try this also. Open item management is not defined for reconciliation account. Sorry, you cannot do this. Got it? Yeah,
Yes.
system will guide you. What I
There is
should do
no
now?
chance for error.
Yes. So what should I do now? Remove.
Remove.
Correct? So the point here is open item management is not at GL level. Open item management is at sub-ledger level. That's why it is objective. Okay? Yeah? So it is all programmed. The program already defined parameters are there. It will work according to the logic that is written. Correct? Yeah? Oh. Understood everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again I will show you type description is this, control data is this, and create bank interest is this. Okay? Relevant to cash flow we are not taking. Save. One more account I created, reconciliation GL account, right? So I will shift to our company code, that's CEE, enter, and now you can see this is my account.
Is it behave like a group? Reconciliation account means behave like a group. Am I right, sir?
Reconciliation account means
Group is to behave like a group.
reconciliation account means all vendors, right? It will come to one place.
So it's not a ledger. It's a behave like a group, right, sir? Am I right?
No, it's a ledger only. So this is a group, right? This is a group,
Okay.
correct? But amount-wise, any transactions we are posting, na? So what did I tell you? It will come like this, right? Reconciliation process I discussed, correct, na? At that time I asked you, did you understand or not? Correct? You see, it will come like this. You see, are you able to see this? Accounts payable, vendor 1, 10,000, vendor 2, 15,000, total 25,000 is coming to Sunday creditors. Okay? So we will be posting individually to each vendor. Total will be updated into Sunday creditors.
Sir,
Is it clear?
while
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
sir,
Yes.
while creating the vendor, we will link this Sunday creators to that vendor, right?
Exactly. Perfect. Correct. Yeah. We have not created na yet. Vendor we have not created. Vendor group we create.
Yes. Yes.
Good. Now next step number 7. Create expenses GL account. Which expenses now? This is advertising group, na? Advertising expenses, is it there?
No,
Is it the GL account? No, right? So advertise. Correct now? See, this advertising vendor will send me the bill for cleaning company, will you send for cleaning expenses or advertising expenses? Advertising. Correct now? Suppose a lawyer is there. Lawyer will send for what expense? Legal expense. An employee is there. For which expense?
Employee expense.
Salary. Correct. Now, a lawyer will not send for cleaning, na? Right? So there is for every vendor there is an associated expense. Correct or not? Yeah. We should have that expense GL account ready. Correct. So expense GL
Every
account.
vendor group will integrate GL.
Kind of, yes, correct.
Expense will be profit and loss account, right?
Yeah, yes, you are right. Expense is a P&L account. Correct. Okay, let's go now. Go to FS00/NFS00. Go like. Good. Now tell me. So you are all experts in GL now, right? Yeah.
Create, okay. GL account, expense account, 4 lakh, yes. 4 lakh.
81 and okay. Miscellaneous I think we have 80 now. I am giving 81. Yeah. Next.
Account purpose, P&L account, expenses. P&L, right?
If I select by mistake, if I select liability, what will happen?
System will not accept, sir. System will not accept.
Correct. Yeah. Good. You are all practicing. Good. So now expense. P&L or balance sheet? Name is what? Advertising expense account. Correct. advertising expense. Very good. Next.
Control data tabs.
Good. Background noise. Okay. Next, what I should do? Only balances shall I select or not?
No,
sir.
This is expense account. This is not reconciliation account. Normal expense. Line item display 001. Next. No confusion here. This is a normal expense account.
Sir, we can copy one expense account and create this sir.
We can copy and create also. No problem.
Sir, it can be open item management also, no, sir? Outstanding advertisement expenses, like that, so we can pick that.
No. This is the expense account. You can have another account. Outstanding advertising is another liability account. If advertising expense you have not paid, then it will be outstanding advertising.
Yes, sir.
That is another account. That's a liability account, right? Now I am talking about expense account, not liability.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir. Got it.
Correct. So for rent also we have rent expense plus rent payable, na? Same way, same cost.
Yes.
Okay. So now go to create bank interest. Field status group is G001. Normal expense account I am creating. Right. No. Right. Save. So we have created the GL accounts also. Next. Now step number 8. Step number 8 is create vendor master record. Vendor master record. That is FK01. Okay, no doubt. This is the one vendor master record is nothing but vendor basically. Vendor, one party, one vendor. Okay. So tell me one company, one advertising company, yeah? Please, anybody. Any advertising company. What? Sorry?
Advertisements.
Space lead, lead space it is, not space lead.
Media.
Yeah, Shreyas Media is there. Advertising.
Smart television.
Yeah. Next, what else?
Smart television.
Smart vision. Your voice is not clear actually.
Sir, he is saying Ma television.
Ma television. Okay.
Prakash Arts.
Sir, I did
Prakash Arts. Okay, I get it.
I did
You understood now? So now you tell me now lead space will get what number? Use your logic. Lead space will get what vendor number?
Outgoing payments, sir.
Vendor number.
3800. 3800.
Now when I am creating the lead space, if you will ask for the group, now what group I will specify? TAVG, right? Same logic. So what number I will get? First number I will.
38.
Correct na? Logically. So this my Prakash Arts will get what number? He also belongs to the same group, na?
380001.
001. Understood everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now this is account number or document number?
Account number.
And lead space account number, Prakash Arts, vendor account number. Lead space vendor account number, Prakash Arts, vendor account number. Kada? For vendor invoice, I will get 19 series. Vendor accounting, 17 series. Vendor payment, 15. This is a document, transaction series. This is account series. Is there any doubt here?
Nothing, sir.
No. No, right? You are clear now, no? Okay. Okay, let's proceed. Now, vendor can be, there is some theory we need to discuss. Now, vendor can be created in three ways. Okay, no. One, internally. Okay, internally means, in case of internally, vendor number is decided by the system internally, sequentially and automatically. Okay, hold on. Sorry, next step number 2. External. In case of external, vendor number is decided by the user from the number series assigned to the vendor group to which the vendor belongs. User can choose his choicest number. Step number 3. 3 is there. Vendor can be by name. In case of by name, vendor is created by name. Number not required. Just like that. That's all. Okay, note down everybody. So we need to understand. Okay, note down.
Sir, by name, so no number required.
Yeah, by name is by name only.
Okay.
Sir, normally vendor has both ID and name, right?
Yeah. So here you can have by number. So here the name will be considered as a number. Perfect match of the name it will take. I will explain you, don't worry.
Sir, in GL account identity error steps, sir. GL.
Sorry?
In GL, when I missed GL account classes.
Which classes you missed it?
So first, 5:30 batch classes were first class.
You talk to admin, they will arrange something else for you, right? You can, maybe they will arrange a backup or something. You speak to them, yeah?
They will arrange again 5:30.
You will have to wait for some time. So right now just focus on accounts payable, yeah, don't worry. Right now just focus on this one. Right? So whatever.
Calling up.
No. That also they will have to tell you. Yeah. Okay, so completed now step number 8. Yes, step number 8. Theory have you taken?
No, sir. Yeah, done, sir.
Sir, do we have class tomorrow?
No class, I told you. So next class will be on Monday. Yeah?
Thank you, sir. I did not hear.
Okay. So guys, so we will stop here. This is the right time to stop. So what I will do, I will discuss this, right? This is, you may not understand the theory, but when I do it practically, you will understand, right? How internally works, how externally works, how by name works, right? You will understand. It will be clear to you. Okay guys? Yeah? Right. So we will continue with this. Up to step number 7 I completed. Step number 8 we will pick up from Monday. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And happy Dasara. Happy long weekend. Do the practice.
Yes, sir.
Same to you, sir.
Backlog. Yeah, thank you. Those who have backlog, use these 3 days. Last faculty will be there. Take their support. Any backlogs is there, you can take their help also, right? Because GL is very, very simple topic. Right? Any doubts you have on the GL, you can clarify with them. They will be available. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.